Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Latoya. For those that are new, welcome, and for those that are already following me, thank you for sticking in. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to make your own carrot oil. There's different method of making carrot oil, but here I'm just using this method because I want it immediately the next day. So the first thing you do, try to grate your carrot. Grate them into smaller pieces so that you can have at least those fine powders, but we are not gonna do powders. I'm actually just doing this because I needed a carrot immediately for it's actually winter time here. After grating them, transfer them in a clean sterilized bottle. Clean sterilized bottle, guys, because otherwise fungus, remember fungus, you don't want your products to get contaminated. And then make sure that the area where you are working is clean. Sterilize your area. Don't worry, my area is not very clean, just because I wanted this thing as soon as possible. And then I decided to record for you guys as well to see on how you can make your carrot oil. Once you're done grating your carrots, add your jojoba oil. I love jojoba oil because it's a light oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, and then like coconut oil. And then once you're done, transfer it into it, put the bottle into a dark area, and then after 24 hours you can strain your oil. Here I just forgot to record the part where I was straining the oil because my phone died, the battery died, so that's why I forgot to strain the oil. I forgot to record when I was straining the oil. After straining your oil, add your vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is not a preservative, but it is an antioxidant. Don't get confused. This oil can only be used for 7 days. If you want to do something to sell, after grating your carrot oil, put it in under the sun, or you can make it dry inside the house, but put it in a darker area. And then after that, transfer into a bottle, and then put your carrier oil like jojoba oil, olive oil, coconut oil. And then after maybe 7 days, you can transfer into a bottle. You can use it already. And do not forget to add your antioxidant, which is the vitamin E oil, if you want to sell. But this one is not for selling because remember, there's no preservatives, and it can grow mold anytime, so it can only last for 7 days. Now if you do the other method whereby you dry your carrots, make sure that you put vitamin E oil as an antioxidant so that no molds can grow into it, and tell your clients not to add water into the bottle. And thank you very much, guys, for watching. Goodbye.